This is Itunova Piano Pastor. I got a request that I should do a minor chord on key F. So today I want to show you how to play minor chord on key F for the beginner. So let me first call out the notes for you. So I'm playing on F. F, G, A sharp, C, D, then E to F. Now, what are the minor chord on key F? All this is how to find the minor chord. You have only, let me create 1, 2, 3. On key F, you have 3 minor chord, which is the first one is that is on chord 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is your first minor chord. 1, 2. Your 2 is a minor chord, and your 3 also is a minor chord. So you get it. Now let me show you the chord. The chord is just normal chord. Because of a beginner, I won't go too much. So later we'll just build on it. So this is your first minor chord. On my right hand I play D, F, G. On my left hand I play D. D. That is your 6. Your chord 6 or 13 chord. They call it 13 or 6. So 6, that is your minor chord. Your second minor chord is chord 2. That is G. I'm playing on F. Don't forget. So your chord, on my left hand I play G. On my right hand I play that is G, B flat, D, F. Then on my last minor chord, that is on chord 3, that is A. Take it. So I play on my left hand, I play A. On my right hand, I play A, C, E, G. Now, how to form it as a progression line? It depends on the song. Sometimes you can only play 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3. Now, sometimes you can carry up. You can do something like this. That is chord 2, chord 3, chord 6. So you get it. Or sometimes you can also start like this. So you get. It depends on the song which they are composed. So you get. So that is your key F. I hope you get it. This is for the beginners. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. You are great.